Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to start with retinol if you are a beginner, okay? But first, let's start by understanding what exactly is retinol. So retinol is considered as the holy grail of skincare ingredients, and it is basically a derivative of vitamin A that has amazing benefits including boosting cell turnover and skin cell rejuvenation, which is the key for anti-aging. However, you may have also heard about the side effects that can happen due to use of retinol, such as irritation, skin dryness, redness and skin sensitivity as well. And that is why if you are a beginner who is just starting with your retinol skincare journey, it is very important to take care of certain do's and don'ts, and also the kind of retinol that you're going to begin your skincare journey with, okay? So the retinol serum that I would highly recommend you all to try out if you are a beginner is this one by Foxtale. So this is the Foxtale Vitality Retinol Night Serum, which contains 0.15% retinol, betaine, cocoa butter, palmitol glycine and allantoin. So this retinol serum by Foxtale contains 0.15% of encapsulated retinol, which is a milder yet highly effective form of retinol that has been shown to produce benefits twice as quickly as any other forms. Also, encapsulated retinol makes this creamy formulation much more stable and effective, and it also helps to penetrate deeper into your skin. And the addition of cocoa butter and betaine soothes the skin to prevent irritation and breakouts, making this sensitive skin friendly. And this serum also contains palmitol glycine, which is a peptide that helps to improve skin oxygenation, and it really helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles as well. Now still, if you want to be extra careful while using this retinol serum, you can opt for the retinol sandwich method, okay? Now what exactly is retinol sandwich method? So this method is basically applying a layer of retinol in between two layers of moisturizer, okay? So firstly, to do this method, you have to apply a very thin layer of moisturizer on your damp skin post washing and let your skin dry, okay? And once your skin is completely dry, you can apply a very thin layer of the retinol serum. After you're done applying the retinol serum, again you have to apply a very thin layer of your moisturizer again over it. Now the biggest advantage of this retinol sandwich method is that it helps the sensitive skin user to avoid any sort of irritation that could happen due to the use of retinol. Now let's move on to the do's and don'ts while using retinol, okay? So there are a certain do's and don'ts that you have to keep in mind whenever you're beginning your retinol skincare journey, okay? So first let's start with the do's. Now the first thing that you have to keep in mind while using any retinol serum is that always start slowly, okay? So in the first week, please just apply this retinol serum only once in a week, okay? After this, you can start using it twice in a week, and gradually if you see that this retinol serum is suiting you well, then you can also increase the frequency to every alternate night. The next thing that you have to keep in mind is always apply a good hydrating moisturizer after you have applied your retinol serum, okay? Because retinol is a very powerful and exfoliating agent. That is why you have to ensure that you're using a good hydrating moisturizer over it, so that we can avoid any sort of dryness that could happen because of using retinol. And lastly, only use the retinol serum during the night time, because retinol usage during the day can also lead to photosensitivity, and that we do not want, right? So please use the retinol serums only during the night time. And another thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to religiously use a good broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or more every single day, whether you're outdoors or whether you're indoors. Now coming on to the don'ts while using retinol, okay? So whenever you're using retinol, it should never be combined with other ingredients like benzoyl peroxide, vitamin C and AHAs like glycolic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid, as well as please avoid BHAs and PHAs, as these acids also exfoliate the skin, which in turn may dry and irritate your skin more if your skincare regime also contains retinol. Secondly, please do not use this if you are pregnant, okay? Because usage of retinol is highly advised against if you are pregnant, because it can potentially affect the health of the fetus as well, okay? So please do not use retinol while you are pregnant. And thirdly, please do not use retinol on sunburned skin or broken or irritated skin, or if you have like a damaged skin barrier, please do not use retinol during that time. Now that I have covered all of the important points which you should be taking care of while using retinol, now I'm going to be sharing with you all a very simple beginner friendly skincare routine using this retinol serum by Foxtale. So the first step is cleansing, and for that I would recommend that you use a very good, gentle yet hydrating cleanser. So the one that I would highly recommend you all to try out is this one by Foxtale. So this is the Foxtale The Daily Duet Hydrating Cleanser, which contains sodium hyaluronate, panthenol and red algae extract. So this cleanser acts as a 2-in-1 product, as it cleanses your face and removes the makeup at the same time. Also, it helps to unclog pores and hydrates your skin as well. So this cleanser comes in a beautiful aqua colored bottle, and it has an airless pump packaging which makes it super travel friendly as well. And the texture of the product is kind of silky smooth, and the consistency is slightly runny and milky. Also, it spreads across the face easily and lathers up pretty good even in hard water as well. So the cleanser gets washed off easily as well without leaving any slippery residue. So I absolutely love using this cleanser because this is like a 2-in-1 cleanser which also removes your makeup quite effectively. So you do not have to worry about double cleansing method anymore, you know. This cleanser itself is suitable enough even if you wear heavy makeup as well. And I also love the beautiful glow and softness that it gives to my skin post using this. Now for the next step, if you are a beginner who's just starting with your retinol skincare journey, then like I've already mentioned before, you should always opt for the retinol sandwich method, wherein before using the retinol serum, you have to first apply a very thin layer of a moisturizer. So the moisturizer that I would highly recommend you all to try out is this one by Foxtale. So this is the Foxtale Comfort Zone Rich Moisture Cream. So this rich moisture cream has provitamin B5, squalane, olive leaf extract and vitamin E, which hydrates the skin instantly and nourishes the skin as well. And the addition of olive leaf extract also combats extreme conditions like eczema and acne. Also, it has squalane which seals in the moisture and leaves the skin dewy and glowy. So this moisturizer is a very lightweight, hydrating as well as barrier strengthening moisturizer. So this is perfect for the retinol sandwich method. Also, it has a lightweight creamy texture that gets easily absorbed into your skin, and it also makes your skin much more luminous. And even if you're using this cream just on its own at the night time, your skin still looks so plump and radiant the next day. So this moisturizer is literally a savior for dull and dry skin type. So after you're done applying the moisturizer, you can go ahead with this retinol serum by Foxtale. So this is one of the most gentlest forms of retinol that I have used in myself, and it does not give me any sort of skin irritation or dryness whatsoever, because even I follow the retinol sandwich method whenever I'm using this retinol serum by Foxtale. So this retinol serum by Foxtale has an extremely lightweight and creamy texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. So you need just a pea-sized amount of the serum and apply it all over your face and neck, avoiding your under eye area. So I've started using the serum roughly like about 10 days ago, and the results that I've seen are really amazing. My skin now looks so much more brighter and cleaner with tighter pores and less pigmentation, which is so amazing, because in the past I've also used like higher percentage of retinol serums, but even that has not given me the kind of effect that this particular serum by Foxtale has given me in just 10 days. So if you are a beginner, I would highly recommend you all to try out this particular retinol serum by Foxtale. And now for the third step, again, because we are following the retinol sandwich method, you have to again apply a very thin layer of the same Comfort Zone Rich Moisture Cream by Foxtale all over your face and neck. So this is basically how your nighttime skincare routine should look like, and like you can see here, your skin will instantly feel so much more hydrated and well rested. Now, like I've already mentioned before, using a sunscreen is extremely important, and it goes without saying, whether you're staying indoors or outdoors, you have to apply a good broad spectrum sunscreen every single day religiously. Okay, so for that, the sunscreen that I would highly recommend you all to try out is again by Foxtale. So this is the Cover Up Mattifying Sunscreen. So this contains SPF 50 with PA rating of 4+, and this also helps in preventing tanning. So this sunscreen is formulated with niacinamide and other powerful vitamins to protect your skin from UVA as well as UVB rays, and it also prevents and reverses free radical damage. Also, it does not give any white cast whatsoever, and it also gives a completely matte finish to the skin. So it's also great for oily acne prone skin type as well. Also, the texture of this sunscreen is extremely lightweight and non-greasy, which is the best part because it does not make my skin look very dull and tired. It also does not peel when used with any other skincare products, which again is a super plus point for me. And it also has no white cast whatsoever, so it's suitable for all skin types and all skin tones as well. Also, the pump packaging is super travel friendly as well. So that is how you can incorporate retinol in your skincare journey if you are a beginner, and all of the products that I've shown in this video really complement each other well, and they're also super effective and affordable as well. Okay, so I've given the direct links of all of these products in the description box below, and in case if you wish to buy these products or any other products from Foxtale, you can get it at a flat 15% discount by using my coupon code, which is mentioned right here. But this coupon code is only applicable on Foxtale's official website. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any other questions relating to retinol, please do mention it in the comment section below and I'll make sure to answer them. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.